Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, I was sent the all-new vSeeBox Pro Max. And this is from Golden Deals. If you purchase this from them, they actually send you everything in this bag. So we're going to unbox this and test it out. Okay, so let's see what they send me. So there's a quick startup guide here. So right here, it's an 8K HDMI, 1.5 meters. A Wi-Fi booster. 64 gig flash drive. Well, 64 gig scan disk. It's the micro SD. A mini keyboard with backlit. And here's the box. So this is the all-new vSeeBox Pro Max. Let's open it up. So if you look over here, it's an Android 10. It's got the dual band Wi-Fi 6. It's an OTA 80%, 32 gigs of ROM, and 4 gigs of RAM. Supports up to 6K. It's an H.265. It's got a USB 3.0 and a gigabyte Ethernet. It looks like it comes with 2 remotes. Well, we're gonna open it up. Let's put this aside for now. Let's check the first compartment. So here's our plug, standard. Once again, you could order it for the plug for your country. HDMI, which I'm probably going to use the one that comes with it, 8K. An antenna. Yep, so here's the first remote. It's got a mic here as well. There's the mic button right there. And this is their standard. Their standard remote. This one does not have the mic. The newer remotes has the mic right there. So they probably have this one. So I'll probably do a video how to program at least the TV and the TV volume buttons. I'll do another video to show how to set that up. And what we got here, and it's just the manual. So Model Pro Max. Move this aside. So this is the Pro Max, 6K ultra high definition. On this first side, there's nothing. So we got our plug, HDMI, optical, AV, your LAN, and your antenna. On the other side, USB 1, USB 2, and micro SD slot. So it's great. So it's great because they gave us the USB. Could put it there. or the micro SD, whichever one you prefer, or put both in. So if you guys are using this box on Wi-Fi, it's great. They send you this part of the kit. So as you guys could see, you get all this. This is all part of the kit. So let's hook up the new box and test it out. Okay, so it's booting up for the first time. Android TV. This is different from their vSeeBox. Okay, so you pick your language. I got English. So over here you guys could pick 4K. Okay, next. Looks like mine, I need to go full screen. Next. I'm in Eastern time zone, so that's correct. I am connected to Ethernet. If not, go down to Wi-Fi. And that's all to it. So setup is complete. Now you can start using your box. I'm going to press OK. So let the box load up. Okay, since we're in YouTube, let's see if this box could support 4K. So we got a 4K one right here. Okay, let's just make sure we are running on 4K or not. That's 1080. Here's 4K right here. And there we go. It's a really nice picture. Don't really see any buffering. So it looks like the box does support 4K. Well, it does say it's a 6K box. From all these VC boxes I tested, they all supported 4K. I got no buffering on them whatsoever. So really no surprise here. Exit out of here. So if you guys are interested in this box, I will have a link in the description where to get it. And right now they are giving everything you see here with this box. Okay guys, if you have any questions, please give me a comment below. You like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.